Good morning. It's about 6:30. It's pretty early here, but we're gonna get outside, do some shoveling, and see how much snow we actually got. Okay, we're back inside. It's probably 3, maybe 4 feet out there. It's pretty deep. Dan just drove to work, so we got him shoveled out. We got him off to the races. I'm gonna try to keep the place shoveled so he can come back in. But look at this. I mean, there's still snow on the brim of my hat. It's crazy out there. The plows are going nuts, and they probably will have to do it for the next every hour over the next probably 6 or 7 hours. So we'll see what happens. Okay, it's been a few hours, so time to shovel again. Look at this, in just a few hours. I don't know if you can tell how deep it is, but it's pretty deep. guys, we were back inside. It was a heck of a day shoveling. It was probably about 5 feet out there. Dan ended up coming back from work. He went halfway there, came back. The roads were pretty crazy. And yeah, we ended up getting on the roof, doing a little bit of that, which was fun. I got to jump off the roof into the snow. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to do it again tomorrow and probably a couple more times and see how it goes. I think we're supposed to get another probably 3 feet tomorrow. So I'm gonna get some sleep. Until tomorrow, keep it candid.